Hello friends, welcome to RD Education. So we were studying the High School English Grammar and Composition book by Renan Martin. We were going on with chapter 9, that is the adjective. Okay, so now let us begin from the next part up to where we have completed. So if you have not seen the previous videos, the link is there in the description. Just click the link and see the previous ones. So today at first we have number 74. In the previous class, in number 72, we have been told to read the number 74. So today we have the number 74. Let us read it. That is demonstrative adjectives. Okay. It point out which person or thing is meant. Okay. It point out which person or thing is meant. So now here are some sentences. Let us read them. The first one. This boy is stronger than Hari. So here which is the demonstrative adjective? This. Okay. This is the demonstrative adjective. It is pointing out the person, that is the boy. Okay. So here it is describing the noun boy or pointing out the person boy. So here it is the demonstrative adjective in this sentence. Now the second one. That boy is industrious. In this sentence the adjective is that, means demonstrative adjective. Okay, that is that. So here it is again telling that boy. Okay, it is pointing out boy, which is the noun in this sentence. So here again that is the demonstrative adjective in this sentence. Okay. Now the next one. These mangoes are sour. Okay. So here in this sentence, which is the adjective? These. And these is which kind of adjective? It is demonstrative adjective. Okay. It is describing the noun, that is mangoes here. Now the next one. Those rascals must be punished. In this sentence, which is the adjective or demonstrative adjective? The demonstrative adjective is those. Okay. So here those is the demonstrative adjective in this sentence. It is describing rascals. That is the noun in this sentence. Okay. Let us go to the next one. Yonder fort once belonged to Shivaji. In this sentence, yonder is the demonstrative adjective. Okay. Yonder means that only. Okay. But it is not used mostly nowadays. Yonder and that are almost same. Okay. Yonder fort once belonged to Shivaji. So here yonder, it is pointing out the fort. Okay. Or it is describing the noun fort here. So here it is the demonstrative adjective in this sentence. Don't be in such a hurry. So in this sentence, which is the demonstrative adjective? Such. Look carefully. Such is the demonstrative adjective here. It is describing hurry in this sentence. Okay. Don't be in such a hurry. So here it is the demonstrative adjective in this sentence. I hate such things. Which is the adjective in this sentence or demonstrative adjective? Such. Okay. Such is the demonstrative adjective in this sentence. It is pointing out thing here. Okay. Or things. Here it is called things. So here it is the demonstrative adjective in this sentence. Now a very important thing, that is demonstrative adjectives answer the question which. Okay. In the previous class also I have told that remember what kind of adjective answers what question. So it is very important. We can easily point out which kind of adjective is that. So demonstrative adjective answers what? It answers which. Okay, it will be noticed that this and that are used with singular nouns and these and those with plural nouns. Okay, these and that with singular and these and those with plural. We were studying this from our childhood only, so it is very easy. No need to tell you about it something more. Now we have came to the next part of the adjective, that is interrogative adjective. Okay, so what, which and whose, when they are used with nouns to ask questions, they are called interrogative adjectives. Okay, when they are used with nouns to ask questions, they are called interrogative adjectives. If we read the examples, we can understand it more clearly. So let us read the examples. What manner of man is he? Here what? See here, what, which and whose, when. So here what is questioning, and also see at the last a question mark is there. So here it is the interrogative adjective in this sentence. Okay, then which way shall we go? I think you can understand it that it in this sentence also interrogative adjective is what? Interrogative adjective is which. So now the next sentence. Whose book is this? In this sentence the adjective or the interrogative adjective is whose. Okay, it is asking the question to the noun, that is book here. So here it is the interrogative adjective in this sentence. Okay, it will be seen that what is used in a general sense and which in a selective sense. So we have came through that. Adjectives of quality answered the question of what kind. Adjective of quantity answered the question how much. Adjective of number answered the question how many. Okay, so these are the questions done by each of the adjective, and today we have learned demonstrative adjective answered the question which, and interrogative adjectives, they are questions only. They don't do any kind of questions. Okay, they are questions only, and at last they have the interrogation mark or question mark that we say generally. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. In the next class we shall discuss the rest parts. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications. And if you enjoyed this video, then also like it.